Hi there, I'm immigration attorney Gail Seeram, and I want to talk to those of you who may be subject to deportation and convince you to establish a plan for deportation. Unfortunately, in these days, we have to plan for the worst, but pray for the best. Many of you may be subject to deportation. Either you are here unlawfully, or you have a green card holder and you have a criminal history that may subject you to deportation, or you had your day in court and the judge ordered you removed or deported but you never left. You need to establish a plan for deportation. What should that plan look like? First and foremost, you need to have a person that you trust. Once you have a person that you trust, whether that's a family member, a very good friend, or a spouse, that person needs to know where your documents are. You may choose to put documents such as your passport, your birth certificate, your green card, even monetary cash in a safe deposit box, or you may choose to store it somewhere in your home. Make sure the person you trust has access to your home, whether that's a duplicate copy of your key for your home, and they know where your documents are in case you get apprehended by immigration. A lot of times we see that people, when they get apprehended, there's no one that has access to their home, so we can't get these documents. Also, the person that you trust, you need to maybe put that person as a joint signatory on your bank account, if you have a bank account, so they can get access to funds. Because once you're apprehended, you may need funds to hire a lawyer, or you may need those funds to be transferred to your native country if you get deported. So that person you trust should have access to your money, knowing where it is, or being a joint signatory. Also, if you have children, you need to execute a guardianship document. Again, you need to put a person you trust, giving them guardianship over your children. Your children may need to still go to school here in the United States. Your children may need medical care, and if you are not accessible or able to be there, then there needs to be someone who has a decision-making power. So execute a guardianship document, and again, put that where you have all your important documents, where the person you trust will have access to that. You need to also execute a will, because you never know what may happen to you once you're in detention, or if you're deported to your native country. If for some reason you die, then you need to have a will that spells out who gets custody of your children and what happens to the assets that you have. Again, you have to prepare for the worst, but pray for the best, because deportation is a reality. If you have questions, if you have a deportation case, if you're worried about being deported, please give us a call at the Immigration Law Offices of Gail Seeram. We have been practicing immigration law for over 20 years. We have been named Best Lawyer for Immigration in Orlando since 2016 up until the recording of this video, 2020. We have a free in-office or phone consultation. Text or call us at 407-292-7730. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all our informative videos. Thank you. We'd be happy to help you.